everyone, my name is Shreya and I am a student of class 10th F, and today I am here to talk about a very special topic that if I get an opportunity of being a minister of a state, then I'll choose the portfolio of education. Because I would like to introduce several changes in the education system, and in certain spheres I would like to uproot the present trends and introduce new ones. Make all possible efforts to give education the importance it deserves. I would compel my government to allocate sufficient funds to my department so that educational programs and plans should not be hampered for want of money. I would reorient the whole education system according to the specific needs. As everybody knows, good education leads to students' personality. The poor and deserving people will of course be given the possible help, and extracurricular activities like sports and games will be promoted vigorously and effectively. Unfortunately, educational standard has been deteriorated in the modern India, and I would try my best to put education at a high pedestal, and the emphasis would be on vocational training, and I would like to make my state great, strong, prosperous through a suitable education system. Thank you and have a nice day.
Believe in yourself. Believe in the capacity to do good and great. Believe that there is no mountain so high that you cannot climb. Believe that there is no storm so great that you cannot weather. Good morning, I'm Shruti Kapoor and my topic is Believe in yourself. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because its trust is not on the branch, but its trust is on its own roots. In order to succeed in life, you always need to remember that you need to believe in yourself, and you need to keep a hope that yes, you could do everything and you are the best. If I talk about APJ Abdul Kalam famous quote, that is, when you start believing in yourself, people start criticizing you. They shout at you, but don't bother. In every single game, always audience makes noise, not a player. Be a player and believe in yourself. Start living life of your own dreams. When you start living life of your own dreams, you feel mistakes, doubt. Don't let others decide your future, because when you start believing in yourself, you could do whatever which you never thought of. Thank you.
That could give rise to smarter than human intelligence is artificial intelligence. Good morning everyone, I am Tanvi and my speech topic is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the theory and development of technology which imitates human intelligence and senses such as visual perception, speech recognition and translation between languages. Friends, our life in this modern world is fully dependent on computer. We cannot imagine our life without computer, so it becomes important for us to make our computer intelligent. Artificial intelligence has various importance in various fields like marketing, agricultural, banking and healthcare. In marketing, it provides the information of consumers to the marketers. In agriculture, farmers can detect deep plant diseases, they can analyze the weather condition and can work upon it. Banking is one of the best examples because we all can see that transactions are done online. At last, I would like to say that one era will definitely come when our lives and we will completely dependent on artificial intelligence and robotics. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Tanvi Dua. I'm a student of class 10th Physics, and today I'm here to deliver a speech on the topic Grandparents are a true blessing for children. Grandparents are really a true blessing for children. With their wisdom and their values, they help in shaping their grandchildren into all-rounder individuals. They assume themselves as protectors and ensure that we grandchildren are safe. Not only grandparents possess bookish knowledge, but also they have a wealth of real-life experiences and information to share. Having grandparents all around the home means more love and affection for children, and which is particularly true for those double income families where both parents are so busy to give adequate affection and love to their children. Remember, we can turn to our grandparents for life lessons and advices, as they have often lived in the similar or same situations and possibly more than once. Also, living with grandchildren give grandparents a sense of purpose in life. It gives them a new sense of energy which makes them feel wanted and cherished. I am really blessed to have my grandfather with me. He is so nice that he supports me in every situation, and I eat and laugh with him, and I really feel a positive energy in myself whenever I spend time with him. And I can truly say that grandparents are a true blessings for children, and I love my grandfather and we should love our grandparents. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Radhika Goyal of Class 10 Supreme, is here to deliver a speech on the importance of school. School is the foremost fountain of knowledge children are exposed to. The children of today are gearing up to become the adult citizens of tomorrow. A school must stimulate curiosity in the young minds to equip them with the young tools to be better human beings. Education will help you to land a well-paying job. One of the key benefits of education or schooling is that it will help you to develop logical, critical and problem-solving skills. Also, the education system will teach you how to make independent decisions. Schooling plays a key role in societal growth and progress. When the citizens of a society are well educated, they will contribute to society in various fields like literature, art, technology and science to help create a well-balanced community. So whether it is about to promote child development, improve our society or financial security, the importance of school cannot be underestimated.
Albert Einstein said that the only thing you have to know is the location of the library. Good morning everyone. Today Rhythm of Class 10th F is telling you about library and its uses. A library is like a cross between an emergency exit and a life raft. They are the cathedrals of mind, hospital of souls and a theme park of imagination. On a cold rainy island, they are the only place where you are not a consumer but a citizen intent. A library provides the energy that fuels the imagination. They opens up the window to the world. They inspire us to explore, achieve and to contribute to increase our standard of living. The selfish thing that a library do is to improve the standard of the minds of the country's future. It is also a good economical option for those who can't afford books. They can borrow them from the library. So, I want to tell you that it is also hospital because it gives a good effect on our mind. At last, I would like to say that the library is the best weapon in the world. Thank you and have a great day.
Beauty doesn't last forever, but a beautiful personality does. Nobody is perfect and nobody is imperfect. Everyone is a bit of both. Good morning everyone. Myself Garima, a student of class 10th Elites. Today I am here to speak about my personality and the negative and positive aspects of my personality. Everyone has a different personality. Mine is also a bit different. My environment dictates how I behave. Sometimes I am loud, sometimes I am very quiet. So according to me, being loud, arrogant and rude sometimes are the negative aspects of my personality. But there are a number of things I feel good in me. I always take stand against what I believe is wrong no matter what. I love helping others. It gives a very good feeling to me. I love making connections, being kind and being friendly with others because it brings a sparkling smile in me as well as in others. So in the end, I would like to say that your appearance can catch anyone's attention, but it's your personality that makes them stay with you forever. So be happy, be yourself, flaunt your personality and slay. Thank you.
Good friends are like a leaf clover. They are lucky to have but hard to find. With these lines, good afternoon ma'am. Myself Kaushik of class 10th Elite standing before you to express my views on the topic the top 3 things I like most about my best friends. Good friends are very rare in these fast changing days. Old values have gone, but they hadn't come yet. One can have a friend in which they can share our feelings, thoughts and secrets. In my case, I have found my true friend, and that is my younger sister Bhavya. The top things I like about her is that she is very punctual, she is very creative, she is very thoughtful, she is always there for me whenever I want her. Positivity is her motto. Thank you. That.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Krishna of class 10C is here to speak about my favorite character of a novel. This topic is asking me to describe my favorite character of a novel or a book. Well, I like reading about many different kinds of novels, but I enjoy reading stories related to fantasy the most. Just recently I read a Harry Potter novel called Harry Potter and the Prisoner from Azkaban. I am about halfway through the 7-book series, and whenever I have free time in the evening, I cannot wait to flip open on the last page I ended off on. The story is a kind of spooky and a complex. It starts off in a sort of funny kind of way with Harry running away from home after he inflates one of his nasty relatives. He then rejoins his classmates at school, but on his way he learns that a deranged criminal has escaped from a prison. The prisoner's name is Sirius Black, who is believed to be very evil and wants to kill Harry. Harry meets all kinds of strange and mysterious situations that perhaps a normal person would run away from. But with the help of friends and magical creatures, thank you and have a nice day.
Very warm good morning, ma'am. It's my great pleasure to introduce myself, Shagun of class 10C. Today I am here to give my speech on the topic artificial intelligence. So first of all, what is artificial intelligence? So AI is a branch of the computer science that emphasizes the development of the intelligence, thinking and working like humans. For example, problem solving, learning and planning. So there are total 4 types of AI: reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind and self-awareness. Google Now, Siri and Contact are all our intelligence digital personal assistants are various on the different platform like iOS, Android and Windows Mobile. In short, they can help in finding the useful information when we ask for it or by using our own voice. We can use them to make calls, send messages, set reminder, etc. and many more things. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening, myself Parinata, and today I am here to present a speech on the topic how to teach your great grandmother to use a mobile phone. In the present world, mobile phones have become an integral part of our lives. We can't imagine even a single day without our phones. In my opinion, mobile phones are as useful to our grandparents as to us. In the present time, we may not be necessarily with our grandparents all the time. So, we should teach them how to use mobile phones so that they can contact us whenever they need our help. But how are we going to do it? This process will take time because unlike us, they are not born in this era of technology and these things are contemporary to them. Patience and love are the only key. We have to keep these 2 key points in mind while teaching them how to use mobile phone, and it will become an easy and fun task for both of us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Friendship. Why friends are important to me? Actually, friendship is the relationship that an individual can create by themselves. Though it's not God gifted, but it's still the relationship that an individual never wanted to lose. People who have true friends with them consider themselves as the luckiest person of this world. One can never feel lonely in this world if he or she is surrounded by a true friend. Every friend is important, and their importance is known to us when we came across the difficult situations of our life, and those difficult situations can only be solved with the help of our friends. Friends are the biggest support of our life. We feel secure when we are around our friends. Friendship is not a need. Friendship is not a thing. Friendship is a relationship. It's an affection that we never wanted to lose. Friendship is important even though we have blood relatives. Friendship is very important to us. In short, friends are the family we choose. Thank you.
Everyone likes a person pulls very close to his or her heart, and its words are considered to be a form of love. A very good evening to my dear teacher. Today I am specially making things to him. Is going to present a speech on the topic who will I like to meet him. So let's get started. We all like our relatives, parents, friends, teachers. If tea can't be made without choosing tea leaves, similarly we can't live without. I would like a person who could break my way to attain high heights in this world, like skyscrapers, for example Burj Khalifa. I am so inspired by sun, stars, moons, and universe, but most by our respective excellent 11th President of India. His word directed me towards a nice astronomy. He told me that the journey is too long, but you never stop. Unfortunately, he died on 27 July 2015. But now also I could feel him alive. A very good evening to teacher. But now there is a question for you, teacher, and that you have to tell whom I was talking about, as I have provided some hint in this speech also. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Today I, Vijeta of class 10th leaders, deliver a speech on the topic why bullying is never okay. Bullying is when one child picks the another child again and again. Usually the children who are being bullied are either too small or weak or shy and generally feel hopeless. Mostly the bullying takes place at school where adults are not watching, through email or through instant messaging. There are 3 types of bullying: physical, verbal and social. Fighting is not bullying. Bullying is when somebody applies his power on the another. Bullying can be done on any basis, on the basis of looks, color, on the basis of friend circle, etc. Bullies try to control the another child by scaring them. Being picked on over and over can make your child as a victim. Bullying usually happens when the another children are watching. Bullying is never okay. If you are bullied, you should have to ask for help from your parents as well as from your teacher. In the last, I will say that bullying is not a reflection of the victim character, but rather a sign of the bully's lack of character. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Lavisha of class 10C and today I will be speaking on the topic my favorite place in the whole world. Well, I like to spend time with nature and I also like to explore new places. So, my favorite place is Kashmir, rightly said the heaven on earth. There are certain things that always attract me towards this place. Firstly, the houseboat, also known as shikara, which is a wooden boat found on Dal Lake and other water bodies. Secondly, there are many places that I want to visit in Kashmir, such as Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Srinagar, etc. Every place in Kashmir is a postcard waiting to be shown to the world. Apart from that, the mesmerizing beauty of Kashmir always attracted me towards this place. Being heard a lot about this place, I could not wait anymore to visit this place. Also, the beautiful pictures of internet tempted me to visit this place as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.